Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the simple stuff so you don't chase ghosts. Check the taskbar volume slider and mute icon, then press the physical volume keys. Next, open Settings right arrow System right arrow Sound and choose the correct output device. Windows often defaults to HDMI or Bluetooth. Once done, open Services, locate Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder and restart them. That resets drivers temporarily. If sound still fails, go straight to the Device Manager for the next steps. Now focus on drivers and hardware isolation. In Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. If a recent update broke sound, use Rollback. If updates don't help, uninstall the device and reboot so Windows reinstalls the driver cleanly. Make sure to test with headphones or external speakers to determine whether the problem is internal hardware versus driver or port. While rebooting, check your BIOS audio setting. If integrated sound is finish with advanced repairs and a safety net. Run the built-in troubleshooter under Update and Security, right arrow Troubleshoot to auto-fix common issues, then reinstall OEM audio packages like Realtek or Intel, and verify output formats and bit depth in Sound Control Panel, right arrow Properties, right arrow Advanced. If you made system changes, create a restore point before major reinstalls. One key tip: if nothing restores sound, try a system restore to a known good date. That often undoes driver conflicts without a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.